Hello and welcome to Behind the Pipes, a mini-series where we take you behind the scenes of the pipe organ here at First United Methodist Church in Florence, Alabama. I'm your host, Sam Fleming. For nearly 40 years, our organ has been untouched and in its original condition. As to be expected with an instrument such as this, there are repairs that need to happen that cannot be delayed any longer. As of right now, we have approximately $12,000 worth of repairs that need to happen as quickly as possible to allow the organ to continue to function in providing leadership for worship and providing inspiring music for the church and the community. The organ is a complex instrument. As such, each episode of this mini-series will take you through a different part of the organ that will briefly explain how the organ works and the different issues we're having with it right now. We hope that as you learn about this organ and the complexities of it, that you will consider giving to the Organ Fund to help fund the repairs of the instrument, as well as any other future plans that we have for a new instrument as well. So come along for the ride and learn all about what is going on behind the pipes here at First United Methodist Church.